the last one and you're doing a great job. So look at this clock, and this is going to help you with all this idea of past two. So as you can see in English and also in Spanish, I think, we divide our clock as if it was a pizza by half, right? And on the right side, I'm going to show you now on my screen, when we are talking about minutes, we are going to use all the right side of our clock from minute 1 to minute 30 to say past. So we would say 5 past the hour, 5 past 1, 5 past 2, 5 past 3. If the minute hand is pointing at the number 2, that means, remember, minute hand, we're talking about the minutes. So we don't say 2, we say 10. 10 minutes past the hour. 15 minutes is a quarter. A quarter, as if it was a pizza. Ping, 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 ping. Right? Quarter past. Keep thinking about the minute hand. Then, if it is in the minute 20, we would say 20 past. 25 past. Half past. And right there on the 30 or half, we stop using past and we're going to use 2. And we're going to count backwards. So we will be counting the minutes left or the minutes to get to the next hour. So we will count from 12 backwards. If our minute hand is pointing at the 7 minute hand, we're going to count from 12 backwards, and it'll be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 to the next hour, not the previous anymore. We use the previous hour when we say past. But now that we are on the 2, we are going to say the next hour, right? In this particular case, we would say 25 to 6, according to the hour hand. If this minute hand would be here, we would say 20 minutes to 6, the next hour. If this minute hand would be here, we would say a quarter to 6. If the minute hand would be here, we would say 10 minutes, 10 to the next hour. If the minute hand would be pointing here, we would say 5 to the next hour, 5 to 6, let's say here, right? And then when the minute hand goes back to the 12, we say o'clock. Okay, that's telling the time to the hour when the minute hand is pointing at 12. So remember, from 1 to 30 minutes, we say past. From the minute 31, we count backwards and say 2. I know it's a bit tricky. Now it's your turn. Look at this image, because then you're going to answer this activity sheet. So you're going to click on the link and you have all the times that I told you, counting by 5 minutes. So you have to select one of these ones and put it in the right place. I'm going to start with 5 past. So you click on it and you drag it to the right place. 5 past means that 5 minutes have passed after the hour. So it would go here, right? Then 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, etc. And when you finish dragging all these names, click on finish, and you will have this screen that says, what do you want to do? Click on email my answers to my teacher. You're going to write your name, Laura, say, 4B, if you're in 4B, 4Y, if you're in 4Y. And here you can type in maths and my email. What is my email? larcos@victoriaschool.edu.mx. And then click on send, and I will be able to see your answers. So today everything is online, but you can support yourself using your clock. If you printed out my template, you have on the back of your clock, you're going to have all these names, and that's going to help you a lot. Okay? Remember, if you have any question, let me know, and I'll be happy to help you with this. Good luck.